A digital chain of trust introducing blockchain, written by Brian Cox, Wonders of the Universe. Imagine a digital ledger. This ledger is not stored in one place, instead it's shared across a network of computers. This is the essence of blockchain. Each transaction or block is linked to the previous one, forming a chain. This chain is incredibly secure because any alteration to one block would require changing all subsequent blocks. Think of it like a puzzle. Each piece or block fits perfectly with the others. You can't change one piece without disrupting the entire picture. This interconnectedness makes blockchain highly resistant to tampering. It ensures the integrity of the information stored within the chain. The concept of blockchain might seem complex at first, but its core principles are quite straightforward. It's all about creating a secure and transparent way to record and verify information. This revolutionary technology has the potential to transform various sectors, and one of its most promising applications is in government. Unbreakable records security, transparency, and immutability. Security is paramount when it comes to government data. Blockchain's decentralized nature makes it incredibly secure. Since the ledger is distributed across numerous computers, there is no single point of vulnerability. It's like trying to attack a swarm of bees instead of a single hive. Transparency is another key benefit of blockchain. Every transaction on the blockchain is recorded and visible to everyone on the network. This open access promotes accountability and reduces the risk of fraud. It's like having a public record that is constantly audited by thousands of eyes. Immutability is the final piece of the puzzle. Once a transaction is added to the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. This permanence ensures the integrity of the data and builds trust in the system. It's like etching a record in stone, ensuring its preservation for years to come. Georgia's bold move. Pioneering the blockchain land registry. In 2016, the nation of Georgia took a bold step into the future. They became the first country to implement a blockchain-based land registry system. This pioneering move aimed to address long-standing issues with land ownership records. These included fraud, bureaucracy, and a lack of transparency. The traditional system relied heavily on paper documents. This made it susceptible to errors, forgeries, and lengthy processing times. The introduction of blockchain promised to revolutionize the entire process. It provided a secure, transparent, and efficient platform for managing land titles. This ambitious project showcased the potential of blockchain to transform government services. It attracted global attention and inspired other nations to explore similar solutions. Georgia's initiative served as a real-world example of how blockchain could empower citizens and enhance government operations. From paperwork to pixels, how the system works. The process of registering land ownership in Georgia's blockchain system is surprisingly simple. It begins with the submission of an application along with supporting documents. These documents are then verified by government officials. This verification process ensures the authenticity of the information provided. Once verified, the transaction details are hashed and encrypted. This cryptographic process converts the information into a unique digital fingerprint. This fingerprint is then added to a block on the blockchain. This block, containing the encrypted transaction details, becomes a permanent part of the blockchain. It is linked to the previous and subsequent blocks, forming an immutable record of ownership. This entire process is significantly faster and more secure than the traditional paper-based system. It reduces the potential for human error and eliminates the risk of fraudulent activities. A new era of trust, the benefits of blockchain land ownership. The implementation of blockchain technology in land registries brings forth a multitude of benefits. One of the most significant advantages is increased transparency. All transactions are publicly viewable on the blockchain. This allows anyone to track the history of ownership and verify the legitimacy of a title. This newfound transparency fosters trust and accountability within the system. It reduces opportunities for corruption and empowers citizens with access to accurate information. The days of relying on intermediaries and navigating bureaucratic hurdles are replaced with a streamlined and efficient process. The blockchain-based system also significantly reduces the occurrence of fraud. The immutability of the blockchain ensures that records cannot be tampered with or altered retroactively. This eliminates the possibility of forging documents or manipulating ownership records. Beyond land blockchain's potential in government, the success of Georgia's blockchain land registry has sparked a global conversation about the potential of this technology in government. The applications of blockchain extend far beyond land ownership. They encompass a wide range of government services. One promising area is voting. Blockchain can create a secure and transparent voting system. This would ensure the integrity of elections and increase public trust in democratic processes. Each vote could be recorded on the blockchain, creating an immutable and auditable record. Supply chain management is another area ripe for disruption. Blockchain can track the movement of goods and services, ensuring transparency and accountability. This is particularly relevant for government procurement processes, where transparency is paramount. Even identity management could be revolutionized by blockchain. Individuals could have control over their own data, granting access to specific institutions as needed. This would streamline identity verification processes and reduce the risk of identity theft. Shaping a transparent future. Blockchain's enduring impact. The adoption of blockchain technology in government has the potential to reshape the relationship between citizens and their governing bodies. It paves the way for a more transparent, efficient, and accountable system of governance. By embracing blockchain, governments can streamline operations, reduce costs, and enhance public trust. The immutability of records ensures accountability and reduces the potential for corruption. The transparency of the system allows for greater citizen engagement and oversight. This technological shift empowers citizens with access to information and provides them with a greater voice in the governance process. As we move towards a future increasingly reliant on digital systems, blockchain offers a secure and transparent foundation for building trust and accountability. The blockchain revolution, a call to explore and engage. The blockchain revolution is still in its early stages, yet its potential to transform government and empower citizens is undeniable. As we navigate the complexities of the digital age, it is crucial to embrace technologies that promote transparency, security, and efficiency. I encourage everyone to delve deeper into the world of blockchain, explore its potential applications, engage in discussions about its implications for society. The more we understand this transformative technology, the better equipped we will be to harness its power for the betterment of our communities and the world at large.